Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a very well-equipped, certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo S60 T5 R-Design with Polestar Optimization. This is in Pebble Grey Metallic with a beautiful charcoal Nappa leather interior, and it's the R-Design, so you get those cool sport seats. This front-wheel drive sedan has less than 24,000 miles on it. It's got those cool 19-inch R-Design wheels, a panoramic sunroof. T5 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. You'll get 250 horsepower, and these cars are so fun to drive. And this one has the Polestar Optimization. So that means it's a performance enhancer. It's a software update, and it'll increase the horsepower by just a few to 258, but the overall performance of the car, you get quicker shifting, faster response, throttle response. It's just a really fun car to drive, super peppy, plenty of space in the back here. And you'll see that R-Design and the Polestar badge right there on the back. You have dual integrated tailpipes. Super distinct taillights. Seagulls in the background. You get the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system because this is the R-Design. This nice open grid textile inlay is also on the sides of the seats here, and you get nice lumbar support, and these side bolsters fill up. And on the 2020s they still had the R-Design in the headrest. These back seats are super cool. Panoramic sunroof. So you get the leather wrapped tailored dashboard and the metal mesh inlays. Your ignition switch is right here. See all of your safety features listed every time you start up. And your climate control, touch where you'd like it to go. Your heated steering and heated seats are right here. This has navigation. Off to the left is where you'll find a lot of your vehicle functions, and the graphic heads-up display is here. So you have that projected on your windshield so you can see. You can put your turn-by-turn directions on there, the media that you're listening to, however you'd like it to show up. And you can do that under settings in My Car in displays and your heads-up display options. And then you can choose what you'd like to show up there. Off to the right, this is where you'll be able to find, you'll change your sound experience up if you'd like. You'll find your AM radio, your FM radio buttons are here. This is customizable. If this makes more sense to move this around for the things that you use most often, you can, and slide the other ones out of the way. This is your adjustable drive mode selector, and if I scroll through, that's where I'll be able to select that Polestar option. And that shows up in your digital display here. Comfort is blank, Eco looks like that, and then the Polestar Optimization will get you there a little bit quicker. Well, if you are in the mood for a super fun sophisticated sedan. This is stock number 6206A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. I'll add a link in the description box below. If you're interested, please check it out, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.